Okay, now, bottom of page 87 is the Hitpa'el. Hitpa'el. So we got Kof, Tate, Lamed again, same root. And for the Hitpa'el, we have to add two letters. So we add the prefix at the very beginning. The very beginning is the prefix, and then the big, loud, obvious sign of the Hitpa'el is this eat on the beginning. In every form of the Hitpa'el will have this eat at some point. The infinitive will, the participle will, the imperative will, the imperfect, the perfect, the vav consecutive, the vav reversive. Every form has this eat on it at some point. And all the rest of the forms will also have dagesh in the middle root letter and a. Either a kametz or a patach followed by a tsere. So Hitpa'el is one of the easiest forms to find because you'll identify your three root letters, and then you'll have all this extra stuff on the beginning, particularly a tav and an eat. Tav followed by a shava. It'll always be followed by a shava, closing that initial syllable. Eat. It'll be there every time. Now, in all of these forms that we've talked about, the first person common singular prefix, being the aleph, which is a guttural, has just a very slightly nuanced vowel that follows it. So it won't have the hirik here in the Hitpa'el. It won't have just a shava in the pl or the pu'al, and it won't have a hirik in the pa'al or the nifal. It will generally have a segol. That's usually the vowel that the aleph prefers at the beginning. If it's a first common singular, ani, imperfect form, it will have the segol, other than in the pu'al and the pl, which have a shava, you'll recall. Here it'll have a composite shava with a segol, so